Hello, Auntie Myra. It's pretty cute. Says, hello, Auntie Myra. How are you? I just finished taking a bath, and I'm getting ready to go to sleep. See, I'm getting bigger now. Oh, bigger. Yeah, it's your kiss. That's your kiss. Oh, picture. Your kiss. You want to kiss the tea? Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kisses. Okay, that's this. Come on. There you go. There you go. Say hi. Mwah. Yeah.